Welcome to PicMapTool demo number 2. PicMapTool is available from mark-toys.com, and visit there with the link at the lower right hand corner of the application if you like. This is going to be a demo about the image features, and the previous demo was about grids and crosshairs and so on, mostly enabled with this top row of controls here. PicMapTool requires Java 1.7 and a mouse and is best tested on Windows 7, but because it is Java it should work on Linux as well as Mac. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to bring up our coins that we had shown in the previous demo, and instead of operating in manual mode, I'm application-wise going to run now in the refresh mode of automatic that I had mentioned before. This is probably better for image work because then when you bring something new underneath the application, it'll show up automatically. So we have this image under there, and as before we can move around on top of it. So now if we grab the image below, new feature, the yellow feature, we can also rotate that image around the origin. If we want the origin to be somewhere else, we click and say this spot here, and we say set origin here, and as with the grids, we can rotate now around that new origin. So now we're rotated a little bit. We can also make these things larger or smaller. So here we're going to leave them at about this size, I suppose, and I'd like to show that we can now mix with the desktop. So I take the image that I've grabbed and I mix it with the desktop. All the way to the right shows the desktop below, all the way to the left shows the image that we've grabbed. So we'll leave it sort of partly transparent here. And now we can also say in the image menu there's other things like rotating the captured image clockwise or counterclockwise, or inverting the colors, or mirroring the image, flipping it from right to left or from top to bottom. So we can do some interesting things like that. But for now, we're going to not worry about that. We're going to clear this image and show you the zoom feature. Here's the zoom feature down here. I click, and in the upper right, wherever I've clicked, I see a little bit of detail of what's going on. So if I click on that cent sign there, you see the cent sign show up. You can also move around and move around on the picture and inspect things as you go. The zoom window is on the upper left. So we'll turn off the zoom here. Now what we're going to do is grab an image that is a classic optical illusion. And if we click on PicMapTool, PicMapTool shows that that's the image underneath. So we're going to grab that image. Now we're going to show an interesting feature. We can rotate and all that sort of thing, but right now we're going to say set a transparency mask. We're going to set the transparency mask so that it lets things show through. Anything above light gray will show through. Now of course we still have this other image below, so if I lower that other image, PicMapTool auto refreshes, and now we see that I'm moving that black image of the cool little picture on top of the coins. And likewise we can do that with more interesting images by pulling in text and graphics, and here's a little colorful overlay if you so desire. Now that overlay is down below, and so we're still moving our captured transparent image. But what we can do here is we can clear that and grab this image, which is the colorful overlay, and we can put that down below. Now notice we can do like a watermark effect.